So at one point in history, the mulberry had a huge run, but it had a huge run for its leaves, being the best food for the silkworm back in the day when silk was the main thread around the world. But one of the most beautiful things that we get from all of that are mulberry leaves that are huge. Do you see that? This variety is called kokuso. And kokuso was developed in Japan through trials looking for the biggest, most nutrient-rich leaves for the silkworms. But out of these trials actually came one of the best mulberry fruits as well. So with the kokuso cultivar, you get both. You're gonna get a delicious, like 2-inch plump, very sweet, tart mulberry, and you're gonna get gorgeous leaves that you could use as a fodder for any type of animal systems that you have, or let the wild eat it. Either way, you're creating an amazing abundance of source of food for you and the environment around you. Check out mulberries, and if you live in the north, I'd say zone 5 through about 8, look for kokuso and plant it up.